और वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग मेजर पोएट्स ऑफ द मॉडर्न एज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। पहला इसमें विलियम बटलर ईट्स आते हैं। ही वॉज बॉर्न इन द ईयर 1865 एंड डाइड इन द ईयर 1939। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, देखते हैं। बॉर्न इन डबलिन आयरलैंड इन 1865, W.B. Yeats वॉज एन आयरिश पोएट एंड प्ले राइट। आयरिश पोएट थे एंड प्ले राइट थे। He was a driving force behind the Celtic revival or the Irish literary renaissance. Along with Lady Gregory, Edward Martin, and others, he founded the Abbey Theatre in December 1904. Important है ये. Also known as the National Theatre of Ireland. The Abbey Theatre became the flagship for the leading Irish playwrights and actors. It drew heavily on Irish mythology, history, and folklore to create a distinctive national literature. He was the first Irishman to be awarded the Nobel Prize in 1923. This is very important. पूछता है एग्जाम में कि पहले आयरिश प्लेराइट कौन थे जिन्हें नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला, तो वो थे विलियम बटलर ईट्स। कब मिला? तो 1923 में मिला। लिटरेरी कैरियर एंड वर्क्स। Its first publication, Two Brief Lyrics, appeared in the Dublin University Review in 1885. However, the first volume of its poems, The Wanderings of Oisin and Other Poems, was published in 1889 and celebrates ancient Irish heroes such as Oisin and St. Patrick. His first famous works include The Tower, The Winding Stair, and other poems, Easter 1916, and The Second Coming. The most significant influences of its life and poetry was a beautiful and prominent woman revolutionary devoted to the Irish nationalist cause, Maud Gonne. She remained his muse, influencing every aspect of his poetry. For its Gonne represented the ideal of feminine beauty, but a beauty of disfigured and wasted by an unsuitable marriage and an involvement in a hopeless political cause, Irish independence. In his poem, No Second Troy, it describes Maud Gonne's beauty as exceptional and destructive, similar to Helen of Troy. With beauty like a tightened bow, a kind that is not natural in an age like this, being high and solitary and most stern, why, what could she have done? Being what she is, was there another Troy for her to burn? This was the line of the poem. Its wrote plays also such as Masoda 1886, Countess Kathleen 1892, Deader 1997, The Resurrection, very important, this is 1927, and The Hearn's Egg 1938. It died in Roquebrune, France on 28th of January 1939 due to ill health. So this is all about the इट्स। सो इट्स ने कुछ और भी चीज़ें लिखी हैं इंपॉर्टेंट, वो मैं आपको बाद में नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगा। ठीक है, बस इसमें बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट थिंग इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू।